Friday, family. Friday night in our house. It's a movie night. The movie is almost over. We're waiting for friends to come. I may have an interruption, but I wanted to get this out, and hopefully it'll be super quick. We're doing rainbow nachos tonight. This is one of my children's favorite meals, and we've shared it with a lot of friends and family over the years, and everyone really loves it. So I've done some prep. I'm trying to make these a little bit shorter and sweeter, get kind of the juices to you, make it like easy and quick for you to make, but obviously there's some extra prep. So I have some mushrooms that we're doing, some portobellos. They've been marinating in a little olive oil, some soy sauce, and then seasoning, cumin, paprika, stuff like that. So I'm going to put this into the oven and at broil. Let's turn it. So that's going in broil. I'm going to watch it super close, of course, because broil, you can burn stuff so quickly. Like living with a chef, they use broil so efficiently, but I've burned so many things with that. So that's in there. I made a plant-based cheese sauce that we're going to talk about. I'm not actually going to make it online today. I'll add the recipe to the top of this live video. But we're going to do, oh, and there's the doorbell. Dang, I wish I did it earlier. Naya, will you grab that? Wonder if I should come back. Let's just go ahead and get going. These are my friends who actually used to cook for Gina all the time last time we lived here. And she loves our rainbow nachos. So, get to the board. So, the goal is rainbow. We're trying to get every color of the rainbow in all of our meals. Again, so instead of doing the salad on the side, we're not actually doing a side of kale today either. But instead of doing the rainbow salad on the side, we're going to be doing that with our nachos, which makes it really appealing for the children. See that? Oh. Carrot is actually the one veggie that I've cut myself on because it's so roly-poly. So we're looking for reds, oranges, yellows, greens, blue, purples. Bring all those in for all the different nutrients, antioxidants that look like different colors in our food and our world in general, really. Careful cutting. Oh, nice. JC Money. All right. I had to get going. I was trying to wait to start this filming, but you just come on. Oh, you're not. You come on the camera.
Up here.
What's up, P?
I don't want to be famous. I don't want to be worldwide.
I heard that. It's just a few people watching.
Just a few.
Alright. Yeah. Gina and I used to, were neighbors in our last trip here in Phoenix. JT! And we used to cook together all the time. Late night. This is my only friend that stayed up late with me. Everybody goes to bed early.
Too early. See, no people eat dinner at this time.
Nobody eats dinner at this time.
This is proper dinner eating time, so you go to bed with a full stomach.
We know how to do it. Gina brought the kale. How you do it? Bring gifts to plants. Alright, so we've got red, orange, yellow cut down. Gonna do some broccoli. This is what makes it so awesome is that the kids will eat all these veggies on these nachos. They're gonna be so tasty. He went right upstairs? Yeah. I'm going to find the toys. Alright. So our greens, we have broccoli, kale, cilantro, and celery. veggies on these that you want and take this exact same recipe and do wet burritos, especially with this cheese sauce that I'm going to show you. You can do tacos, you can do nachos. Oh, a little red one. JT, what'd you guys do today? Did you go out of town?
He's just in, San Diego. He's here. Now he's in Old Town.
Oh, okay. Oh, you said people in town.
Yeah, his friends. His friends visit all the time.
What? 2 doorbells?
Oh, man, this is like,
No, this is not normal.
what show is that when people keep coming out the door?
2 doorbells?
This is our next guest star.
Gina, will you answer that for me?
Yeah.
I don't know who that is. It's really not like that around here. I also never had a doorbell before that really worked like that. Alright, kale. Some cilantro, but I already have cilantro in this mango salsa that I made, which we'll talk about in a moment. Alright, celery, all these veggies on nachos. Come on, you have to try this. You have to try it, you have to make it. We have more children here. Something crazy is happening. Happy Friday! I'm just having friends around though. Alright. I'm running out of space, so there's the beginning of our nachos here. Whoa! We gotta do our cabbage, every meal cabbage. Fun, but I kind of didn't want to do this before today because I did it last time. And I just want to show like how quickly we can prep up a whole bunch of vegetables for ourselves and for our family, for our children. There's really no reason to make it be that big of a deal. Just do it. Pull them out, cut them down. And put them on your meals every day. All day long, and the kids will get used to it, and they'll even start to expect it. You know, they're going to want to have that. The children expect that freshness and the colors. And we'll do a little onion just because. All right. Oh, mushrooms. We're going to check the mushrooms. Put them over. They look delicious. Alright. Alright, so that's going to be, I think that's it. No, that's all. Here is our toppings for our nachos. Very simple after this. We're going to take those mushrooms.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did.
The sauce. So, this is the most amazing cheese sauce I've ever tried making. Plant-based cheese sauce that I've ever made before. It's made out of potatoes and carrots. Look at the color on it. The recipe is carrots, tomato. We had some homemade almond milk, good seasonings, lemon juice, a little bit of mustard, soy sauce. I had the children taste it for me to see if I was even going to do this because I wanted to keep this all plant-based and didn't want to do a cashew sauce. So I wanted to try this new sauce. We tried it. And the only way I was going to do the show is if they approve the sauce. They love it, especially on the chips. It is heavy on the tongue. It does leave a little bit of an aftertaste, but I will post it. I recommend if you're a vegan, if you're all plant-based, try this cheese sauce. I think it's going to be worth bringing to your daily routine. So mix it up into the Vitamix. It's actually still warm. We're going to bring these mushrooms out, cut them down, and serve up. The children love these mushrooms. If you're not eating mushrooms regularly or don't really know what to do with them, last week I did the crispy mushroom sandwiches. Really good place to start. This too. They're nice and meaty. They stay firm. And if you saute or if you know, what's this called? Braising? I don't know what you call this in the world. But if you do this, you simmer them in some good juices and oils and seasoning. They really turn out, you know, not meaty, but just delicious. The boys love them. They try to pick them out and eat them first. So, recommend it. Oh, Presley's so big. It's so crazy. And this is a Friday with a lot going on. We were busy all day, got a lot done. Still time to do this. If you have time to watch television, you have time to do this. You just gotta make the time, commit to it. But get these veggies going every day, and it'll actually be easier to find that time to do it. She'll really value it and want it. Doesn't have to be perfect. It really isn't about perfection. It's about just trying, doing it, trying the flavors, getting used to new flavors, getting used to your flavors, what you enjoy. And just doing it, being in the kitchen, spending that time. These are going to be delicious. Alright, also did a mango salsa, so this is just one, not even super ripe mango, it's kind of a tartar one. One of the little yellow champagne ones are my favorites. One of those, chopped up, two tomatoes, some red onions, some cilantro, a little bit of agave to actually help with the sweetness of the mango, apple cider vinegar, salt, cumin, you know, just kind of thrown together. Nothing super snazzy, but gonna be really delicious on top. And we're ready to eat. Craft paint. All those over there. Alright. Then that 20% processed. So the organic corn chips. Obviously, I don't really know if the corn is really organic. I don't know all of what they have in these or why they stay fresh so long. But for the most part, feeding them the rest of these veggies, I feel okay with giving them these chips. Not all the time, but this is one of their favorite meals. gonna do the mushrooms. Alright, then the cheese sauce, my spatula. Maybe we should do the cheese sauce on top of the veggies, so that's what we'll do. So, reds, orange, yellow. Not very clean. Alright, can you guys see those spikes coming together? Yeah. Celery, broccoli. Kale. Gotta get the kale, gotta get the greens. And people think maybe like my children won't eat all this food, they actually will. They actually eat all these veggies, all the mushrooms. If you give it to them, that's what they'll eat. They don't have any other option. Okay. And do cheese toss, and then we'll do the, how thick that is. Potatoes and carrots, so dope. Try this sauce, I'll put the recipe up. They're eating that, guys. Alright, then the salsa. You're gonna get to the point where you go somewhere for nachos and you're like, I don't see any purple on my nachos. There's no broccoli. Like, I don't think I'm gonna be able to deal with these. Start making other people step their games up. Alright. I'm also gonna put sour cream on these for the children. We like sour cream, especially in our nachos. I mean, it's pretty delicious. But you could make a cashew-based sour cream with this also. It would be super simple. It's basically like soaked cashews with lemon juice, onion powder, maybe some garlic powder. Let it chill, and it's basically like sour cream. But, or you could just do this. Looks pretty delicious. I don't know how long we've been recording this time. Let's see. Hopefully a little shorter. I don't know. I can't really tell. But there we go. Rainbow nachos that everyone will enjoy. Everybody will eat these up, the whole plate. So yeah, I wanted to share them with you guys today. I love you. Peace. Happy Friday.